Okay, this week's going over doing background color of a form. Start with the File menu, New Project. We'll rename Windows Application to Interface. Make sure you've selected the Windows Form application. If it should be selected by default, but I always make sure. Interface is going to be the name. Click OK. And this one we're just going to show how to change the form name and then change the background color of the form to red. So right now the form name is FRM or Form 1. We're going to click on the form right here. My mouse is hovering, just click once. Then go over to the text property on the right side of Visual Studio. And we're going to go to the name property and rename it from Form 1 to FRM Form. Let's take it back. FRM Main. Okay. And then we can start it. And it gives us errors. And it'll tell us what the error is. Would you like to continue and run successful? No. It'll take me right to the error. It says Form 1 is not a member of Interface. If I double click on that error, it's going to take me right to the issue, which is right here. Notice it says m.main form global.interface.form1. We rename that to FRM main. There we go. And that got rid of the error. So anytime you do rename a form, the main form of your app, that will happen every time. And you'll need to just double click on the error and correct it. It'll take you right to the line where it's needing corrected. You might have noticed too, when I started typing in FRM, it saw the rest of it. I could double click on this and it would finish it. And I could do a Control S. We've now renamed this form, the name property, to main form, FRM main. And it also wanted you to do a background color red for this form. So click right here in the middle of the form once, go to the background color, click on the drop down. Let's go to custom and select red. There's other colors too that you can play with. I went to the custom one and selected red. You could also go to web and select red as well. Now when we run the application, it should just run a form, a simple form in with a red background. And just remember always, for extra credit, you can add other things to this. You can add a button. You can add change the name of the form maybe here from Form 1 to something else. That would be a couple examples of extra credit you could do. If you do extra credit though, make sure when you submit this and zip it together that you put a message in Eagle that you've done so. And that's it for week 2.